Hi friends, so someone has asked us about a 4-year update on these raised beds, Sugiban raised beds, and let's see what's going on here. So in between we were not here, we moved to Costa Rica and our garden here was not taken care of, so this has been like this. We have not been growing anything in our raised beds. But here we are to check how the wood has been. Looks like the color has faded. It looks like it doesn't look like how it was in the beginning. Lots of rains and humidity here in South Florida, but the wood looks like it's still intact. It's not been eaten by anything. No termite damage here. It looks very good. The secret to this might be that we had put all of them here in blocks, concrete blocks. So this you can see is concrete block here, a little bit thick one, not the very thick ones, just we laid at the bottom before we put this. So looks like this all have been left intact, no termite damage, and they all look good. The color has faded of course, but the wood is very good, not damaged at all after 4 years of so much rain, so much humidity, and still looks good. Let's look at wood at other places where we didn't put any block underneath and see if that has any changes. So this is another Sugiban raised bed that we had done, but we didn't use this for any growing any veggies. We use this for just dumping our fallen leaves, palm leaves, any kind of compostable materials that were from the garden. So you can see this, but the more interesting thing is down here. You can see here that there is a lot of damage already. Looks like this wood has already, it's like a sponge right now. It's all been eaten by termites. And here we did not put any concrete blocks underneath. It was directly in the soil, and seems like that's the difference between the two, that if you put directly in the soil, it's going to be all eaten by termites. This one also, if you look at the sound, it's very hollow. It's eaten inside. And this one is like a sponge. So there you are. In not just Sugiban is going to help your raised beds stay there longer, but you will also have to put them in on top of some kind of concrete or maybe stones, but no direct contact with the soil. And that's the trick.